Hello and a warm welcome to my channel Mom's Wonder Cookbook. I am Dr. Amruta Vadanbe, pediatrician and nutrition expert, and in my channel I'll be sharing with you a lot of healthy, easy and quick recipes especially for your kids. So do subscribe to my channel and like my Facebook page too. Dals are a very good source of proteins, but many times kids do not consume the ideal quantity of dal which they should have. So today, using my hide and seek principle, I am going to make a paratha. Due to this recipe, your kids will not only consume dal, but they will also consume a vegetable which not only kids but many times adults also do not like. Also, I am going to serve it with protein-rich accompaniment. So do watch the video till the end. Let us learn how to prepare dal paratha with a hidden gem. Want to know who is the hidden gem? Watch the video. Now let us take a look at the ingredients for our super healthy paratha. This is 4 katori of whole wheat flour, 1.5 katori of cooked tur dal. Now this is our hidden gem. This is 1 katori of grated radish. Radish is not only rich in vitamins and minerals, but it also detoxifies our body and has an immune boosting action. Now 1 katori of chopped coriander, again a green leafy vegetable which is full of vitamins. Now coming to the seasonings. This is half teaspoon of haldi powder, salt as per taste, half teaspoon of red chili powder. Now again this is a very important ingredient. This is half teaspoon of sambar masala. Yes, you heard it right. I'm going to add this masala to our dal paratha and it is going to give it a very nice flavor. And this is half teaspoon of ajwain. Ajwain helps in digestion. And oil. I have added 2 teaspoon of oil to wheat flour and then mixed the remaining contents and then kneaded it to form a firm and smooth dough. In this way, you can make your kids eat dal and radish both. And now you will agree that my hide and seek principle works very well. Now we are going to divide them into equal portions and we are going to roll out parathas of it. One more thing I would like to tell you, while kneading the flour, I have not added any water into it because the dal is sufficient to bind the flour. But if you require, you can add some amount of water. Now I will roll these balls into parathas and I will roast them on tawa. So on one side I have kept my tawa for heating. Parathas are the best way to make kids eat all the veggies. By this method, you can make kids eat a significant amount of dal. So my paratha is ready. Now I will roast it on tawa, applying oil on both sides. You can see now that the paratha is ready. I am going to make all the parathas and once they are all done, we will serve it. Nutritious dal radish parathas are now ready. While serving, I am going to serve them with curd, which is rich in calcium and proteins and probiotics, and flax seed chutney. Flax seeds are a good source of omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. So altogether we have made a very nutritious, wholesome meal. I am sure you will definitely make this paratha. These parathas can be made for lunch, they can be made for dinner, or they are a very good option for breakfast too. So do make them. I'll be sharing with you lot more innovative and different recipes in my further videos. Till then, bye bye friends, take care, stay safe, stay healthy.